Hello everyone. In this video, we'll try to understand how to install the different packages for Python. For example, so one of the famous packages pandas, which is used for exploratory data analysis. So the other one is scikit-learn, which is one of the famous package for the different machine learning algorithms. TensorFlow, again for deep learning algorithms like Flask for REST APIs, right? So if you name it, we have n number of packages for Python where we will be using it on our day-to-day life, right? Now, how can we install all those packages, right? So the only option is using pip. So first, what is pip? So pip is a package management system. So now we'll try to understand what is package manager. I know package management system. It's a collection of software tools that automates the process of installing, upgrading, configuring, and removing from the computer. For example, let's say when you install anything in our operating system, maybe Windows operating system, let's say you install Skype. So you download it, you'll say double click next, 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 right? So what is that called? That's called installing and configuring, right? So if you're done or if you're not happy with that, you'll go to control panel or you'll uninstall it, which is called removing, right? So what are the process which you're doing is that will be handled by the typical package manager or that is called package management system. So in Python, we call it pip. So the package manager in Python is pip. So using pip, we can install any package we want. We can uninstall whatever the package we want. All right. So now we'll see how to install a pandas. So one of the the widely used package. So open the command prompt. So you can say pip install pandas, and you can say enter. That's it. So it will install the required packages, right? So in my system, the NumPy is also one of the famous, the numerical computation package, right? In which is already installed in my system. In case if this NumPy is not installed, so what it does is first it will install the required packages, all this NumPy, pject, right? These are the required packages, and then it will install the pandas. So it won't tell you, hey, there is no prerequisite packages. So you have to install that first and then come and install pandas. No, it won't say that. It will install prerequisite packages and then it will install the pandas. But that's the beauty, of it. So the one other thing which I want to show is PyPI. So, this is the repository where, you can see the required packages, which you want to install. Okay. So the important thing, what is pip? Pip is a Python package indexer, right? So now let's say if I want to install Jupyter notebook or if I want to install Spyder. So these two are the widely commonly used in the data science world, right? So typically what we'll do, we used to download Anaconda, right? It will be somewhere around 500 to 600 MB. So we'll install it. What Anaconda does, it will install Python, Spyder, Jupyter. So almost, 2000 plus packages, which are required for the data science. Obviously, I may not use all those things, right? And moreover, 500 MB is too big. Maybe, I mean, it will take a lot of RAM, hard disk, processing speed, whatever, right? So I may not need such a huge, the complicated software, right? So we know installing Python is very straightforward. If you want to install any package, open command prompts, type pip install and what are the package you want. That's it. So let's say if I want to install Spyder, pip install Spyder. That's it, right? Cool. So the most of required packages are already there, right? So that's why it is fast, or else usually it will be little bit slow based on your system performance and the internet. In case if you want to install the Jupyter notebook, you can type pip install notebook. So I'll mention all this the pip install notebook in the description, like Spyder, how to install the different packages. I'll put it in the description. So now you can say enter. So it will also, install the notebook. So once it is done, I'll show you how to, start the Spyder, how to start the Jupyter notebook, right? So first we'll see, how to start the Jupyter notebook. So you have to open the command prompt, type Jupyter Node, N-O-T, Node, B-O-O-K. That's it. Yeah, it started the Jupyter notebook, so you can say new Python, you can do whatever you want to do. That's very straightforward, right? So, or else you need to open the Anaconda, click on the Jupyter, it will open the Jupyter notebook for you. Now it's very straightforward. Similarly, we'll see how to start the Spyder also. So we have to go to the Python location where we install. So this is the place where I install my Python. Go to script and search for Spyder. So just double click on it. That's it. It will start automatically. Cool, right? It's very straightforward, right? So in my case, this Jupyter and Spyder, install very quickly, but usually it will take some decent time to install, right? So hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.